enjoying the chilly weather, right? The winters, getting up late and eating gajar ka halwa, sitting in the sun, right? So, let's begin our class. Are you all ready for the class? Yes, I need a yes from all of you. Right. So, yesterday we had done the chapter Who is Cleverer, and this was the last chapter of our English reader. Right. Who are the main characters in this chapter? The king of Greece, Hercules and Atlas. Right. So, these are the three main characters in this chapter. We are just revising it as we have already finished the explanation of the chapter. All those who are joining in today, please pay attention and understand the chapter, right? So, the king of Greece was very jealous of Hercules. He thought that Hercules may be crowned the king. Why? Because the people loved him very much. And he was a perfect person to be crowned as a king. Right? So, what does the king would do? The king would send Hercules out. Always set difficult task for him. So, after setting difficult task for Hercules, he would send him out to giving him some task to complete the task. One day, what happened? He gave him a task of going to the garden of Hesperides. Where to go to the garden of Hesperides, and from the garden of Hesperides bring 3 golden apples. Right. As the order was given by the king, Hercules accepted the order and he went on, set off for the garden of Hesperides. Hesperides के garden के लिए वो निकल पड़े. First, as soon as he went, he met an old man. He asked him the way to Hesperides. First he met 3 maidens, कुंवारी लड़कियां. उनसे पूछा what the way to his garden of Hesperides. They told him to ask the old man of the sea. He asked the old man of the sea. The old man of the sea told him to go along the sea, and then he will meet a giant, and then the giant will let him know the way to the garden of Hesperides. Right? There he meets a giant, and that giant was very tall and he was holding the sky on his hands. Now, what was the name of the giant? He was the tallest titan. सबसे ऊंचा इंसान जो giant था, tallest titan मतलब God, right? And he was holding the sky on his hands. And then when he was asked why was he holding the sky on his hand, he said he was punished by God, Zeus, to hold the sky for eternity. उनको punishment मिला था, and that punishment he had to hold the sky on his hands forever, for eternity. Eternity means हमेशा 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 के लिए. Now, when he asked Hercules, who are you? Hercules said, I am Hercules. I have been sent by my king to bring 3 golden apples from the garden of Hesperides. Then Atlas said, you cannot do that. Why? Because the garden is guarded by a poisonous snake with 100 heads. उस सांप के 100 सिर थे. कितने सिर थे? 100 heads, and nobody can go over there. Well, I can help you because it is the order given by your king. So I can help you, but for that I need you to hold that sky. Now, Hercules was not as tall as Titan, right? As tall as Atlas. Titan and Atlas are one and the same person, right? वो इतने ऊंचे नहीं थे, तो एटलस ने क्या किया, एक पहाड़ के ऊपर यहाँ पे वो खड़े हो गए आसमान को लेकर, right? And Hercules went to the garden of Hesperides, क्योंकि ये सबसे टॉल थे, तो इन्होंने क्या किया, यहीं से एप्पल तोड़ लिए, right? वहीं से एप्पल तोड़ लिए एटलस ने. लेकिन एप्पल तोड़ने के बाद बाद एटलस के मन में एक विचार आया कि क्यों ना, मैं तो फ्री हो गया हूं अपने पनिशमेंट से, तो मैं अब आज़ादी जिंदगी जीना चाहता हूं। अब मैं हरक्युलस को ही आसमान उठाने दूंगा, अब मैं और आसमान नहीं उठाऊंगा। आई एम टायर्ड, मैं थक चुका हूं आसमान उठाते उठाते। तो फिर वो लेट पहुंचे। हरक्युलस बड़े परेशान थे। ही स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग, वो आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, क्या हुआ उसको, इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है। देन फिर ही सेड दैट, अच्छा जब एट लास्ट आखिरी में पहुंच गए with the 3 golden apples, then Atlas showed the golden apples to Hercules and he said, now I am going to give it to your king. मैं जाता हूं तुम्हारे राजा को देने के लिए, तुम आसमान पकड़े रहो। अब हरक्युलस परेशान, ये क्या हुआ। हरक्युलस ने तुरंत अपना दिमाग चलाया और एटलस से बोला, एटलस ठीक है, मैं आसमान पकड़ के खड़ा रहता हूं, आई विल होल्ड द स्काई, बट फॉर दैट आई नीड टू मेक पिलोज। मुझे 2 तकिए बनाना पड़ेंगे अपने कंधों पे सपोर्ट देने के लिए, ताकि मैं आसमान को हमेशा हमेशा अच्छे से होल्ड कर सकूं। एटलस की समझ में नहीं आई बात। एटलस ने सोचा अच्छा ठीक है। तो हरक्युलस ने बोला, चलो आप ये स्काई लो, थोड़ी देर के लिए पकड़ो और मैं जब तक कुशन बनाता हूं। एटलस बोले ओके ठीक। एटलस ने एप्पल नीचे रखे और स्काई को अपने कंधों पे वापस ले लिया, और जैसे ही स्काई को अपने कंधों पे वापस लिया, हरक्युलस ने एप्पल उठाया और दौड़ लगाई। ही केप्ट ऑन रनिंग टिल ही रीच्ड हिज सिटी। वापस अपने घर पहुंचे और किंग को वो एप्पल्स, गोल्डन एप्पल्स दिए। तो जरा सा दिमाग लगाने की वजह से वो एक बड़ी परेशानी से बच गए, राइट। So who is cleverer? Atlas is cleverer or Hercules? Yes, children, guess. Now tell me, who is clever? Hercules, right? So you have to always keep thinking. प्रॉब्लम आती है तो प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन भी होता है। हमें ऐसे वक्त घबराना नहीं चाहिए। We must think very smartly, right? And this is all the chapter is about, and now we move on to dictation words, right? So children, open up your classwork copies, be ready for dictation words, okay? The first thing that you are going to write down is the name of the chapter. It is high time to complete your copies, as this is the last chapter and we may be soon calling up for your copies, right? So after this, let's start writing down the dictation words, okay? So along the margin, this is your margin, right? Here I will write down dictation words. Now number 1, Hesperides. This is a very typical name, Hesperides. This is the garden, name of a garden. Now H-E-S, Peri, P-E-R-I, Peri, Des, D-E-S, Des. Isn't the spelling very easy? Yes. So the pronunciation is Hesperides. What is the pronunciation? Hesperides. Right? Hes. H-E-S, Hes. P-E-R-I, Peri. D-E-S, Des. Hesperides. Right? Now move on to the next word. Hercules. Hercules. Right? Her, H-E-R, her, C-U-Q-L-E-S. Now see, the first letter is capital, because this is the name of a garden and the name of a person. That is why both sides I have written the first letter capital. So when do we write the capital letter? When they are special names, and here yes, they are special names. Now we move on to the third word, that is jealous. 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 Jealous means jalan ki bhavna, right? So jealous. 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 Right? Now move on to the next word. My next word is feared. Feared यानी डर लगना. FEAR. Fear. Fear यानी डर. डरना. Right? ED. Feared. FEARED. Fear. Past tense of fear is feared. Right? Next word. Crown. 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 The spelling is very easy, right? So I hope you all are writing along with me. I'm waiting for you. Yes, come on, start writing. Okay, by the time let's revise what is written on the board. All those who have written will revise what is written on the board. Hesperides. Come on, repeat after me. Hesperides. Hercules. Hercules. Jealous. Feared. Crown. Okay, complete your work. I am waiting for you. Then we'll continue with our dictation words. Okay? Yes, continue. Punished. Eternity. Shoulder. Poisonous. Punished. Eternity. Shoulder. Poisonous. Cunning. Burden. Yes, children, have you finished? Yes? Let's move on. Next word is shoulder. 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 Shoulder यानी कंधे. Right? SHOULDER. Shoulder. Next. Punishment. 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 Now you get punishment in the school? Are you punished by your teacher? Yes? Okay. Saja. PUNISHMENT. Punishment. Right? Next. Eternity. Eternity. हमेशा हमेशा के लिए एटर. ETER. एटर. NITY. Eternity. Next. Plan. PLANNED. Now here the P is small because this is not a unique name. PLANNED. Plan. Next word. Promised. 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 आप भी प्रॉमिस करते हो अपने फ्रेंड्स को? Promised. Promised. Next. Poisonous. 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 Cunning. 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 Right. So, my first word which is written on the board is shoulder. Kandhe. Right. SHOULDER. Shoulder. Punishment. 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 Eternity. ETER. NITY. Eternity. Plan. PLANNED. Plan. Promised. 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 Poisonous. Jahrila. POISONOUS. Poisonous. Cunning. 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 Now you continue. I am waiting for you to complete your work. Completely relieved. Okay, children, shall we continue? Yes. Okay, next word is relieve. RELIEVED. Relieve. Right? So, RELIEVED. Relieved. Next, burden. 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 Burden यानी बोझ. BURDEN. Burden. Next word, mountain. MOUNTAIN. Mountain यानी पहाड़. MOUNTAIN. Mountain. Right? Next, understand. Under U-N-D-E-R. Under S-T-A-N-D. Understand. Isn't the spelling very easy? Yes. Under U-N-D-E-R. Under S-T-A-N-D. Understand. Right? Next. Come. Clean. Clean. Completely. Come. C-O-M. Come. E-L-E-P-T-E-L-Y. Completely. And the last word is sigh. S-I-G-H. Sigh. Gehri सांस. S-I-G-H. Sigh. And this is the end of our dictation words. Then we will continue with glossary. Glossary means the word meanings, right? So children, try to finish up fast and then we will continue with glossary. Yes, children, hope your work is complete. Yes, now shall we start with glossary? Okay. Now let's start with glossary. The first word is eternity. Eternity. What do you mean by eternity? हमेशा हमेशा के लिए. That is forever. Next word, fetch. To get. Fetch. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch means to get. Number 3, cunning. C-U-N-N-I-N-G. Cunning means clever. C-L-E-V-E-R. Clever. Next, G-S. The Greek god of the Greek god of sky and thunder. The Greek god of sky and thunder. Next, maidens. Girls. Or young, unmarried, woman. Right? So this is the end of our dictation words. Okay. The first word is glossary. We have finished up with dictation words and glossary, and in our next lecture we are going to do with the question and answers of this chapter. Come on, let's revise the glossary. Come on children, repeat after me. Eternity. Eternity. Forever. Fetch. To get. Cunning. Clever. Zeus, the Greek god of sky and thunder. The Greek god of sky and thunder. Now Zeus, he was the man who punished Atlas. Maidens, girls or young unmarried women. Yes, come on, repeat after me. Girls or young unmarried women. Right? So this is the glossary of this chapter. Complete your work, complete your copy, complete in the lecture itself so that your work does not remain incomplete. And yes children, meet you in the next lecture. Okay, bye bye. Take care of yourself because it's very cold, right? So put on your sweaters and everything. Eat good hot food cooked by your mama and enjoy. Okay, bye.